Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we're going to unbox and have a look at the Ugreen external hard drive enclosure. So if you don't know, this is an enclosure which you can use to convert any of your internal 2.5-inch SATA hard drives or SSD to an external hard drive which you can carry anywhere. So let's begin the video. I bought it from this seller anyways. Let's open it. Here is the box. Ugreen, you get a picture of the external enclosure as well. 2.5-inch SATA hard drive enclosure. So by 2.5 inch they mean that the laptop hard drive that you have are usually 2.5 inch, the smaller ones, so they can easily connect with it. If you have a 2.5 inch SSD, that will also work, and by SATA they mean this connector that you see right here. If you have a hard disk from your desktop, most probably it is a 3.5 inch, which is a bigger one, so it will not work with it. Its max speed is 5 gigabytes per second. Obviously it will also depend on your hard drive or SSD as well. On the other side there's not much. On the back we got its specification. So input is a micro USB 3.0, so this will have much better speed because of 3.0 technology. SATA 7 plus 15 pin. Here you can see the speeds as well. If you have a SATA 3 drive, it's 6 GBs per second, and it is backward compatible with SATA 2 and SATA 1, which are the old SATA hard drives. It has a maximum speed of 5 gigabits per second, and I think this one supports up to 6 terabyte of external hard drives. So let's just open it. Here are the things that we get in the box: some paperwork, a cable to connect our external enclosure with our laptop. So this is a USB 3.0 port, not a USB type C, but you can use any converter if you want to connect it with your Mac. And finally the Ugreen external enclosure as well. So I think so this is a light matte black with this glossy finish right here. Plastic most probably because it's pretty lightweight, nothing too much here. And yeah, now we can just connect our hard drive with the enclosure. So let me just clean this up. On the back we are going to slide it backward. As you can see, it has these little foams as well, which will help if for some reason it drops, so it will help in shock absorption, but I do not recommend that you drop this because hard drives are quite sensitive. Here we have our SATA connector. We are going to align it and connect it. Once it is placed, slide it backward, and let me connect it with my laptop. We are going to use the cable that they have provided, and once it is connected, you can see I have this little indicator light, and on my Mac or Windows you will see the device is connected. So this is how simple it is to use it. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of the Ugreen's external hard drive enclosure. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.